Buying the best skillet for steak can mean the difference between perfectly cooked cuts of meat and burnt steak that sticks to the pan like glue. So, with that in mind, here are the best skillets for steak that you should consider buying if you want perfectly cooked steak every time. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the products. If you're looking for a high-quality, USA-made skillet that's perfect for searing steaks, then the Lancaster No. 10 cast iron skillet might be just what you need. This American-made gem is crafted in Pennsylvania with care and attention to detail that's apparent every time you use it. At 11 5/8 inches in diameter, it's the ideal size for cooking main courses. You'll appreciate its smooth cooking surface, which helps prevent food from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. The skillet's traditional stout handle gives you a solid grip, while the large pour spouts make it easy to drain excess liquids or transfer food to plates. Weighing in at just 6 pounds, it's lighter than many other cast iron skillets without sacrificing durability. Pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box, this skillet will quickly become your go-to pan for everything from steaks to cornbread. Its 2 1/8 inch wall height provides ample space for sauces and sides. By choosing the Lancaster No. 10 or any of Lancaster's other skillets, you're not just getting a great skillet, you're also supporting American craftsmanship. It's a pan that combines modern performance with traditional design, perfect for creating delicious meals and lasting memories in your kitchen. Remember, if you're not satisfied, Lancaster offers a 45-day return policy. But chances are, once you start cooking with this skillet, you won't want to let it go. If you're looking for a pan that can handle your steak searing needs, then the HexClad 12-inch hybrid fry pan might just be your new kitchen MVP. This spacious skillet gives you plenty of room to cook multiple steaks at once, perfect for those family dinners or friendly gatherings. What sets this pan apart is its unique hybrid technology. You get the best of both worlds: stainless steel for that coveted sear and non-stick properties for easy cleanup. No more wrestling with stuck-on bits. It really is the best non-stick skillet for steak that you can get. The tri-ply construction ensures even heating, so you can say goodbye to those annoying hot spots. Your steaks will cook uniformly, locking in those juices for maximum flavor. If you're worried about scorching your hands, don't be. The Stay Cool handle has got you covered. Plus, this pan is a real tough cookie. It's metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and can withstand oven temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So, whether you're searing a thick ribeye or whipping up a frittata for brunch, this versatile pan has got your back. Just remember to season it properly and start with lower heat settings. This bad boy heats up fast. When you're after the perfect sear on your steak, the Heritage Steel Titanium Series 12-inch fry pan is hard to beat. This American-made skillet boasts a 5-ply construction that's built to last. The cooking surface is made from 316 Ti stainless steel, reinforced with titanium and molybdenum. What does this mean for you? Exceptional durability and a non-reactive surface that won't affect the taste of your steaks. Heat distribution is key when cooking steaks, and this pan delivers. The aluminum core, sandwiched between layers of stainless steel, ensures even heating across the entire surface, including the sides. You'll appreciate the versatility of this pan. It's oven safe and can handle high temperatures, perfect for finishing your steak in the oven after searing. While it's a bit pricier than some options, the quality justifies the cost. You're investing in a pan that'll likely outlast many others in your kitchen. One thing to note, it's best to hand wash this pan to keep it in top condition, a small trade-off for a skillet that'll be your go-to for perfectly cooked steaks for years to come. Now for the runner-up on my best skillets for steak list, and it's a good one. If you're looking for a top-notch skillet that won't break the bank, then the Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet might be the way to go. This beast of a pan weighs in at 6.5 pounds, striking a sweet spot between heft and maneuverability. You'll appreciate its solid construction when searing steaks, as it retains heat like a champ. The smooth machined cooking surface is a game changer. You can say goodbye to annoying sticking and hello to effortless food release. Your steaks will develop that coveted crust without leaving half of it stuck to the pan. You'll love how this skillet distributes heat evenly, ensuring your steaks cook uniformly from edge to edge. This means no more hot spots or undercooked areas. The 12-inch size is perfect for family meals or when you're hosting friends. You can easily fit multiple steaks or chops with room to spare for sides. Cleaning is a breeze too. A quick rinse and wipe down are usually all it takes to get this skillet ready for its next use. With its blend of traditional American craftsmanship and modern design, the Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet offers exceptional value for steak lovers. It's a workhorse that'll serve you well for years to come. So, what is the best skillet for cooking steak that money can buy? In my opinion, the FINEX 12-inch cast iron skillet is the best cast iron skillet for steaks on the market today. If you're ready to up your steak game, then the FINEX 12-inch cast iron skillet might just be your new secret weapon. This isn't your grandma's old pan that's decades past its best. It's a modern twist on a classic. Let's talk shape. The octagonal design isn't just for looks. It gives you 8 easy pouring spots so you can drizzle that delicious steak juice wherever you want without making a mess. The cooking surface is smooth as silk, pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil. Your steaks will slide right off, no sticking here. And here's another often overlooked advantage, the spring handle. Made from stainless steel, it stays cool, longer than traditional handles, so no more burned fingers when you're flipping that perfect ribeye. Size-wise, the 12-inch diameter is just right. It's big enough for a couple of good-sized steaks, but not so huge that it's a pain to handle. It's also available in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 14-inch sizes though, so you can get a pan that fits your cooking needs perfectly. Plus, there's an option to get your pan with a lid, opening up even more cooking possibilities. Versatility is key with this skillet. Sure, it's a steak searing beast, but don't stop there. It's great for baking cornbread, frying up some eggs, searing salmon, and making skillet pies. Made in Portland, Oregon, this skillet is built to last. It's not just a pan, it's an heirloom you'll pass down to your kids. And remember, cast iron gets better with age. The more you use it, the more seasoned and non-stick it becomes. So fire up that stove and get cooking. So those are the best skillets for searing steaks that you can buy right now. Although I have my favorites, I'm happy to recommend every single one of these products if you're seeking a good skillet for steak. Again, you'll find the links to each of these top-rated skillets in the description box below. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video, you might consider giving it a like and hitting that subscribe button.